G'day guys, this one's going to be super quick. This is the Makita JR002G, and I'm going to quickly put it up against, with the help of somebody else, the HiKOKI. This is the beast, the Godzilla. This is widely believed to be the best reciprocating saw around, the fastest. It is the CR36DA, and in the States it'll be known as the Metabo HPT rather than HiKOKI. So, has Makita finally made one that can compete with this? The new 40 volt tool, the JR001G, couldn't beat this by a long shot. A few other tools come close. Can the Makita one be a bit quicker? Let's just do a really quick test, eh?
We'll just go for it on this one as fast as we can, okay? So, there you go. 3, 2, 1, go! Just done it. Makita just got it. You want to try it?
Yeah.
See what's
See, does it be, pretty similar. There you go.
3, 2, 1, go!
It's nice.
Oh, it's close.
That's good. Yeah, yeah. It might be slightly quicker, eh?
It's fractional.
Yeah.
If you want to see the full review, it will be out soon. I will see you on that one. Make sure you subscribe if you don't want to miss it. Cheers. See you later.
Okay. 3, 2, 1, go. Don't like that, do you?